Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? I just finished recording a Shein Five Below video. And I have to edit that and get that out to you guys. But in the meantime, I wanted to go through some books. We bake a lot in my home. I'm a cookie from scratch, bake it from scratch type of person. So I was surprised that when I go through the Dollar Tree at the selection of books that they have. So I wanted to share that with you guys. A lot of cookbooks here, baking books, but they do have some other books as well. So I'm going to go through them. I actually have my laptop over here just to tell you the value of these books that I've picked up right out of the Dollar Tree. And we all know at the Dollar Tree, everything in my Dollar Tree is $1. So this first book, this is called The Messy Baker. Okay, can you see that? The Messy Baker, more than 75 delicious recipes from a real kitchen, a baking book. Now, I pulled this up on Amazon. This is $8.99 on Kindle, right? If you're using your Kindle device. And then they had here that you can get it for $4.71 new and $2.50 used. But just to read it on Kindle is $8.99. I got this for $1. Those brownies look good. Those brownies look good. Inside here are some of the photos. So this is Welsh griddle cakes, which I've never heard of. They have some crispy root vegetable chips. That sounds pretty good. That's different. Here we have chicken, corn, and cilantro empanadas. So wait, this is not just treats. This is much more. Oh, so that's cool. Here we have, what is this? It's a nice picture. I guess this is the second portion. Those are raspberry stuffed French toast pieces over here. So for $1, this is the back of it. This was a wonderful book, and much to my surprise, it had more than just sweets in here. So that one is a winner. All right, this other one I pulled up as well. This book is called Colossal Cookies, 100 Outrageously Oversized Treats That Changed the Baking Game. Okay. And I don't know if y'all can see that chocolate chip cookie looks like everything, okay? This is $9.99 on Kindle on Amazon. And then the paperback, which this is a paperback, they are charging $13.98 for this book. I got this book for $1 from the Dollar Tree. Okay, this is right on Amazon. This is here on Amazon. You can pull it up yourself and see it on Amazon. They want this for $13.98. And I paid $1. And I was gonna pick this up regardless. Look at that cookie. Look at that cookie, honey. So they have this large peanut butter chocolate hazelnut striped cookie. I do not like hazelnut. I don't want hazelnut on anything, so that ain't gonna work for me. But then they have some other ones here. This is double chocolate chip birthday cookie. And the pictures are gorgeous. Like, the book is gorgeous. I paid $1. Come on, we waste dollars on a daily basis. This one is a peanut butter pretzel chocolate oatmeal cookie. Now that sounds good. That sounds pretty tasty. All right, so I think I'll be using this more than anything. Now here we go. This is my type of cookie: chocolate chip and espresso. Okay. I'm all for some chocolate and some coffee. And this is the back of the book. All right, the light is messing it up a little bit. But the back of the book says $21.99 US. Let me look at the back of this one. The back of this one, oh, they covered it up, so I don't feel like peeling the sticker and messing everything up. But this one retails $21.99, and I got it for $1. And those cookies look delicious. Delicious. I can't even say it. Delicious. Okay, delicious. Now, I didn't look this other one up yet. Let me just type this in really quick in Amazon. I'm not going to go to all the book websites. I'm not doing all of that. So this is the 400 calorie fix, right? And then let me put who it's by, because I don't want them pulling up stuff that I'm not interested in. I just want to look at this particular book by Liz Vacariello. All right. What? Listen. If you don't believe me, go look at Amazon right now. Amazon has this, what? The easy new rule for permanent weight loss. What? Amazon has this book for $19.38. And they say here they only have 13 left in stock. Wait. I paid $1 at the Dollar Tree. I kid you not. I walk through there and I'm always in there. But I'm walking through there and something just draws me to their book section. Sometimes it's a mess, but I always know that they have hidden gems in here. This book is $19.38 on Amazon right now today, okay? Today is, what's today? Thursday, January 14th, 2021. I found this at the Dollar Tree. Wow. Drop up to 11 pounds in 2 weeks. The food looks delicious. It don't look like they're trying to starve you. All right. So inside they give you a breakdown. Look, I would pop right into the pizza page, right? I love pizza. But they give you the breakdown of the type of pizza and how many calories it has, and then they get into the toppings, trying to really make you feel guilty. But I shouldn't say that. I haven't read it yet, so maybe they're not trying to make us feel guilty about loving pizza. A bagel. I'm a New York girl, okay? Bagels are life. If you're from New York, okay? God, that looks good. But it gives you a whole bunch of stuff, an all-in-one smoothie. And I can see why somebody would pay $19.38 for this book. I see it's giving you the calories. It's giving you so many different recipes. This is a harvest salad that they're showing you here. The pictures are vibrant. This is not a cheap book. Listen, I'm just sharing this to let you people know, do not sleep on the Dollar Tree book section when you go in there. If you don't go in there and see what you can find. This is the back. I guess they have in here when you eat out what the buffet points would be, or calories and so forth, and just teaching you how to choose better options. So, you know, we all need to eat a little healthier. I don't deprive myself of anything, but you know, cutting back and choosing healthier options is always a good thing. And I do that. I've been eating nuts instead of chips and, you know, trying to work it out. So let's put this other book in. The next book is The Hungry Girl. And this is 200 under 200. So I'm sure it's like 200 recipes under 200 calories. All right. Under 200. Oh, just desserts. Oh, it's popping up for me. Okay, this is why I mess with Amazon. All right, so this is popping up for me. All right, so here's the book. It had a label on there for $5.97, but keep in mind this is the Dollar Tree that I purchased this from, so I got this for $1. Amazon has it for $12.99 on Kindle, and they have it for $8.99 paperback. But I have it here for you for $1. All right, so let's see if we can read a quick description. What does this say? Calling all dessert fanatics, get ready for an entire cookbook of decadent treats with under 200 calories each. Now you can indulge and satisfy your sweet tooth with none of the guilt. Only Hungry Girl could create delicious guilt-free recipes and then they have gooey German chocolate cake mug, PB cheesecake chocolate cupcakes, and they give you a few descriptions. This has 4.5 stars on Amazon. On the back, they've covered that up as well, so I don't know what the retail is, but here's the back of the book. All right, and let's bust up in here. So I'm not seeing those glamorous pictures, not as many. That was one. So, you know, they're not doing it on every page. But this is the apple cinnamon. This can't be. What the heck? This is the brownie bottom ice cream. This is the triple parfaits and creme brulees over here on this page. So they don't have as many. I like to see color, you know, I like the expensive stuff. Colored pages all throughout. The best photos of your food entice me, make me feel hungry when I'm looking at the book. But this is a nice book. And here we have 2 cool mint chocolate whoopie pies. Very detailed description. So they have pictures in here. They're just not on every page like I like them, every other page. But this is still good enough for $1. All right, so this one's showing Snicker Madness brownies. That looks good. Cookies and cream brownies. And at the bottom, you have this vanilla caramel dream cake. Wow. And these are all under 200 calories. So that's pretty impressive in itself. How will it taste? I don't know. So that's that one. So that's Hungry Girl 200 under 200 Just Desserts. Okay, that's by Lisa Lillian. You can find all of these thus far on Amazon or the Dollar Tree. Try your Dollar Tree. You never know. Each Dollar Tree is different. You know, you may not find these books. You may. Now this one says the, let's put this in. This is the Metabolism Plan. Now that I do want to work on, speeding my metabolism up. So I was like, you know what? Let's just see what they have to say about that. So this is by Len Jeanette Recitas, R-E-C-I-T-A-S. And let's see what Amazon talking about. Okay. Wow, do they? I don't think they have the, what? All right, here's the book. Okay, this is the book. There's her photo here at the bottom. So this has 4 stars. Audible is free. Paperback it's $8. Kindle is $11.99. This is a hardcover book. So they're doing paperback. They only have 2 left at a price of $8. So either way you go, and Amazon is my go-to. You know, they're not the cheapest on everything, but you know, I weigh, am I going to have to travel far to get this item, or am I going to have it delivered to me? But the Dollar Tree is winning here with these book selections. I'm going to tell you that. This is another win for the Dollar Tree. This is at the Dollar Tree. All right, and here's the last one. I found this interesting. I just found this one. This one is called That Sugar Book. So let's put it into Amazon search. That Sugar Book by Damon Gameau, Gameau. All right. What? I don't see it. Oh, here it is. Wait, Amazon. What? Okay, so he has a whole Prime Video. I didn't even know that. A definite must-read by Jamie Oliver. That Sugar Book with more than 30 recipes. I thought it was just teaching you about, you know, your intake in sugar and controlling your intake in sugar, but he actually has recipes in here as well. The essential companion to the feature documentary that will change the way you think about healthy food. Look at this. And I have Amazon Prime. I didn't even know this was on Amazon Prime. So I will be checking that out before I even get into the book. Usually I do the book and then check the video out, but something's telling me to look at the video and then get into the book. So I'm going to do that. So the Sugar Book, the essential companion to the feature documentary. This is $9 paperback on Amazon. $12.99 for Kindle. So y'all can do the math. I saved a lot of money on these books. These are very all interesting books that I will actually read. I'm not going to just have them on the coffee table looking cute. My child and I will definitely be going through these recipes. If she act right. and I will be making some sweets, but also, you know, doing things in moderation and learning how to eat better. I always like little tips. I do, you know, I don't just go with one regimen, you know, you make gradual changes as you go. So I'm definitely going to be looking at this documentary. Maybe I'll look at it tonight. Who even knew this man had a documentary? I just found the book at the Dollar Tree and found it to be interesting. The cover was appealing, like, okay, caught my eye, and read some information, I think, on the back, but this is the back of the book. And that's the end of my book find at I'm gonna say Amazon, at the Dollar Tree. I have purchased many books throughout the years from there, once in a while, you know, picking up a book here and there. But lately they've had such great books that I've been picking them up 3 and 4 at a time. So as I pick them up, I will share them with you, because I know that I'm not the only person that likes books still. I don't like everything on the internet, even though we know it is primary for everything. But I still like a book, and I still like reading recipe books and writing recipes down. I still like that. So I hope you enjoyed this little mini book haul from the Dollar Tree. Make sure you like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe, so when I do post the next video, you are the first to know about it. And if this is your first time to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are one of my subscribers, my real ones, hello, thank you for coming back. And the haul is coming. This is one of the shirts that I got from my recent Shein haul. It's a crop top. It's cute. Cute. The girl like it. These earrings are actually from Shein as well, from a previous haul, so you can check that out somewhere. Maybe I should link it. That's how you're supposed to do it, right? Look at me, check it out somewhere. It's on my page, but I'll link the I don't know whether I did this on my earring haul or not. Oh goodness, I'll try to find it. I don't like to, you know, make any broken promises here. I'm gonna try to find it. But these, you can hopefully they still have them. They're very lightweight. They don't hurt my ears. They don't irritate my ears. And these are just cute as can be. So I'll see if I can at least, if I can't find which video it's on, I can at least try to, I don't know, it's almost harder to find the link sometimes when you order so much stuff from Shein. But we'll see if I can put this down there somewhere. But definitely check out my other videos. Let me know how you like this book video, and thank you for stopping by. Peace.